Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Today I'm gonna be making pumpkin pie. Thank you very much Barbara for sending me this kit to make pumpkin pie. The full covered kit, pumpkin pie crust, pumpkin paste, condensed milk, and also it's whipped cream. I'm very happy I can make pumpkin pie at home. And she also sent me this stuff. I don't like this, but Shinichi loves this pumpkin spice. Today I will add a little bit to taste. But Shinichi wants more, maybe. Okay, half I will add so much. Oh, and also she sent me these two maps, New Jersey and Philadelphia. She's living in New Jersey, so this map is a New Jersey map, and this one is Philadelphia. Shinichi used to live here, and we went there, and yesterday we watched this map about an hour. It's very fun to read map. And I realized the difference of the culture of Japan and US map. I don't tell now. It's a long story. So, okay, let's make pumpkin pie. So, according to the direction, this was the half of this box, half pie crust mix of this box. Put into bowl. And water, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of cold water. Pour in and stir in this bowl until it becomes pasty. Okay, I will stir until it becomes ball. Is it okay? Shall I use my hand? Hand is easy, I think. But the picture is using this spatula. I don't like this. I will use my hand. Much easier. Much easier. It's like making udon noodles or gyoza wrappers. Oh, I think it's okay. It's already become ball. Okay, next I will flatten this ball. First, I have to sprinkle some flour. This tool is very easy to do like this. Then put this ball on the surface and press like this. Oh, I haven't make the crust. Is this the right way? I don't know. I have no confidence. But I'm doing like direction. I followed the direction on the box. But it's still not round and it's cracked. Okay. The shape is not good, but this is my first time. It's okay. And she also sent me this mold, the small tart mold. I watched the pumpkin pie as to make pumpkin pie using this size of pie pan, but this time I'm gonna use this small tart pan, and she sent me 6 tart pans. So first I will use 4, then cut around this pan and like this. I'm learning how to make this one. Still learning. Okay, is this good? And release. I'm doing like mold cutting. Do you know the game? the mold cutting. Okay, okay. Then place on this can. Oh. It's too much. Oh, okay. So then cut the excess part. So okay, like this. Is it good? Then roll inside. So Shinichi helped me to make this tart. I haven't done this before, but it's fun, pretty fun, and easy. This mix is pretty useful. Do we have these pie crust mix in Japan? I haven't seen. Okay, I made 6 tarts and one more thing with excess dough. So next, I'm gonna be making pumpkin pie filling. I'm gonna use half can of this pumpkin puree, about 400 grams, and 1 can of condensed milk, and 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and pumpkin pie spice. This is new, but we already have this one. So it's opened. So today I'm gonna be using this one. So inside of this bowl, there's a half can of pumpkin puree. I realize it's pretty different from Japanese pumpkin. The color is different. It's orange. And pour condensed milk. Wow, it's very thick. Oh yeah, it's condensed milk. It's very thick. I like condensed milk. When I was a child, I sometimes lick this condensed milk from the can. I was a bad kid. Not bad kid. Okay, and crack 2 eggs. And vanilla extract. And pumpkin spice. How much? So, Shinichi loves pumpkin pie spice, but I don't love so much. So, half of these pies are using less pumpkin pie spice, and the rest of them, I will add much more. So first, I will sprinkle some. Is it good? It's good. It's good. I believe it's good. Then mix. Looks like pumpkin stew. Looks delicious. Is it okay? Already it's mixed. It's simple. So pour this mixture filling into this pie crust I made. Like this. Pour. Then sprinkle much more pumpkin spice. Is it okay? Is it enough? Not yet? Not yet? Okay. Shinichi said it's enough. Then mix. The color is a little bit darker now. The last one. To remember which one using much more pumpkin spice, I sprinkled some. Still, I have enough much filling, so pour into this bigger one. Okay, so baking time. Put into my oven. Then 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes passed. もうちょっとだね、まただね。もうちょっと。 5 minutes more. During baking my pumpkin pie, I'm gonna make whipped cream. It's simply easy, just 2 minutes with this powder. It's called Dream Whip. Interesting name. So, pour 1 pack into this bowl and 125 milliliter milk, about half cup, and vanilla extract. I think it's okay. And then whip. Okay, I will whip 2 minutes. Okay, done. I'm gonna let them cool down. So, my pumpkin pie is ready. So, let's put on the cream on top. So, put this cream on. Beautiful. Okay, so my pumpkin pie is ready. So thank you for coming to enjoy my pumpkin pie.
Thank you very much, sir. ありがとうございました。
So this is the first time I made pumpkin pie.
Right. Thank you to Barb for sending us the kit, things to make the pumpkin pie. So it was quite easy to make, I think, because
Quite easy, easy.
because the pumpkin pie crust was packaged and very looked easy. The whipped cream was very easy to make, and these actually look quite delicious. Look at that! Doesn't that look beautiful?
His one contains much pumpkin spice.
Okay, good.
Mine is less.
Yours is best.
Less.
Oh, less. Okay. じゃあ、shall we? いただき
いただき
ま。
ますす。
That's pretty good. Oh, okay. I didn't know what to expect, but yeah, that's really nice. Come to think of it,
This pumpkin flavor really good.
Come to think of it, we haven't really had like a proper pumpkin pie last year. Costco, for example, they usually sell pumpkin pies, but they didn't sell any last year during the holiday season. So I was a little bit sad. So this is great.
I love this. I love this.
No?
I didn't like pumpkin pie so much so far, but now I love this one.
Why?
The,
What's the
the
difference?
flavor of the pumpkin is good.
Yeah. Do you like the pie? Because I know you don't usually like pie. Like the pie crust.
But now I love this because I made.
Oh, okay. That's the difference right there. I like that. And because you only made 6 mini pumpkin pie with so much pie filling left, so we just baked the rest in the oven. And so we have like the pumpkin pie but without the pie part. But that's okay because I think that's the most delicious part of the pie. Of course, my humble opinion, but
And by the way, this dish is made by Satoshi.
right. It's actually one of my favorite dishes. I love it. I love how rustic it looks.
So hope you guys enjoyed today's pumpkin pie making video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let us know what you thought in the comment below. And subscribe! Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye!